Happy birthday, Tommy. But I have to go upstairs. I'm gonna get some check. I'm giving him some check. Yes! Pira yung ibigay ko. Good morning! Good morning, guys! It is 8 or something already. Look at me. I put something on my lips, a dark lipstick, and I'm done actually, getting ready. I'm going to go. It's already 8 something, so alam nyo ba kung ano yung ginagamit kong pahumot? Yung spray. Ito yung bench na blue ang color. Dalawa yung bench ko, guys, na binili yung pumunta ako sa Pilipinas. I got the pink one, which is my favorite. The pink one. And then I started liking the blue one. I gave this to my sister-in-law. And oh my god, she left it in the house. She doesn't like it. So I'm gonna use it. I like it. I'm going to use it. I need my cell phone. I have it already. I have to bring my laptop with me because I want to edit a video while I'm waiting for my mother-in-law. Roxy knows I'm leaving. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, there is a bird. Oh my god, look at it, guys. There's a baby bird. That's why they go crazy. Oh my god. There's a baby bird. Look at them. Oh my god, look at this too. Oh my god. Oh, it's fly already. Okay. Tignan nyo, parang mga baliw lang ba? Mga baliw. Si Tommy, oh, Tommy's birthday today. Today is Tommy's birthday. Happy birthday, Tommy. Happy birthday, Tommy. Happy birthday. Oh, shit. Talking about birthday, I have to get a check. I'm not giving him a gift, but I have to go upstairs. I'm gonna get some check. I'm giving him some check. Yes! Pira yung ibigay ko. Joke. Para yan sa bill, guys. Pero I can buy him a gift, but I rather pay the bills than the gift. I'm just being practical, guys. Priority is first, you know. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. No. Be a good girl, huh? Be a good girl. You be a good girl. No, and no, huh? No, who did it here? I love you. I love you, Roxy. I love you, Mythica. I love you, Badavina. Nukti, 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 nukti. Anyway, guys, magdadrive lang ako, guys, kasi naman ano ito? I'm just replying in my Facebook to you guys, somebody on my Facebook. If you haven't followed me on my Facebook, I will leave the, you know, in the beginning of this video I always put the Facebook account, yung name ko sa Facebook. Anyway, see you later, guys. Bye. Birthday boy, guys. Tired boy, and he's working. I got a thing from, you know, always you always receive in a mail like a book, a magazine, and it's go with a different kind of, you know, discount. And I got this Bed Bath & Beyond discount 20% off. I'm going to use this because I'm looking for something in Bed Bath & Beyond. Well, actually, my sister-in-law told me to go to Bed Bath & Beyond if you are looking for door curtains, like you know, like our front door have that glass thing, and you can, she told me that she got hers at Bed Bath. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this 20% discount. I'm gonna edit the video. I'm going to charge my phone. So yan, yun ang Spanish rice ni Tommy. Masarap talaga yan, guys, yung Spanish rice niya. At saka the chicken, it's good also. Oh, oh my god, sobrang tender yung chicken, guys. I'm going to take a picture. And then I will tell Tamer, no, I don't want to eat your rice. He will be laughing. Let me try. The chicken is really good. It's really tender. Tastes good. The rice is good. Sa atin guys, diba, we like our rice plain. Spanish rice, Tammy love. It's really good. Tammy. Chicken is good. Rice is good. Masarap ang rice as in. Okay din. So flavorful too. Chicken and rice. Tinanggal ko lang yung lipstick. I get rid of the lipstick. Because after eating, that's the only problem of that lipstick. That was Wet n Wild Mega Last Catsuit. I don't know, for some reason the dark color from Wet n Wild and from that, you know, that particular one, the Mega Last one, for some reason the dark lipstick are very, I don't know how to explain this, but it will, like, if you put it on your lips, you have to keep reapplying because there's kind of patches, or some part is not really dark, some part of your lips is so dark. So yun lang guys ang problema niya guys, parang hindi siya level ba yung pag-apply mo, yung application niya hindi super ganda. Yeah, so I get rid of it. I scrub it guys because it takes forever to get rid of. So I use a towel and wet the towel and put safeguard in it, and I do like this, scrub my lips, and now I apply a chapstick, the blue one that I keep using. I feel that my lips so dry after scrubbing it. I'm waiting for my mother-in-law. It's 1:32 already in the afternoon, and it's still downloading the vlog right there, and it's 9 minutes more to go. Yep, I'm here and it's so freaking hot, and sana maka ano na yung mother-in-law ko, yung biyanan ko andun pa rin sa sa loob. Hinahanap ko lang yung wallet ko guys to make sure that it's here. And I don't like the feeling of, you know, to think that the dog is alone. I don't want, you know, my dog to be alone there. Ganito yun eh, pag sobrang init, alam niyo ba, pag sobrang init guys, parang gusto mo nang makahiga, matulog doon. So yun ang feeling, parang lalo na kapag traffic, nagdi-drive ka na traffic, sobra. Parang gusto mo matulog. Kaya nga may music ako eh. That's why I always play music every time I drive, because to make me, you know, awake. Because oh, your wave is so quick, baby. Oh, look at that TV. TV really fast. Look at the Roxy. Happy? Are you happy? Yes, yes, you happy? Yes, yes. Oh my God, your nails. Oh. Hello, baby. Hi. Hello. Hi, baby. Oh, your nails is so. Hi, baby. Now, you guys, what is it? What do you want? Huh? Do you want another treaties? Do you want another treaties? Look at his face. Do you want another treaties? This happy treaties. Oh, right here. Look at how excited that face gets. Look at Daddy. Look at that. Shut up. Shut up, Misty. Good girl. Oh, that's it. You just swallow it, Rox. You just swallow it, baby. Yes, you just did swallow it. You wanna go play? You wanna play? Do you wanna go play? Come here. Play to mama. Come here, baby. Good girl. Yes, good girl, mama. No, you want to play. That's all you want. That's all you want. Now play. You wanna play to mama? I want play. Come here, come. Let me look if there is a thing. Oh, that's Ashley. That's Ashley, baby. That's Ashley. Oh, that's Ashley, baby. Hey, look at me. I'm very tall, guys. Ang taas ko sobra. I'm so tall. Look at me. Oh my god. Where's Dada? Let's go get Dada. Let's go get Dada. Look. She knows. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking, baby. I'm joking. Ang ganda-ganda. Oh, shit. Snake ay natakot po ako. Wire yan sa ano guys, sa the lights for my filming. So, kita nyo, di ba may light doon, yung mga ganyan. Ano yan? Yun ang light namin guys sa ano. Do we have lights in front of the house? Sa driveway. Kaso, yung ano namin sa driveway, yung iba nasira na. Ang mahal pa naman. Sabi pa ni Tami, ang mahal, ang dali nasira. Hindi pa nga nag 1 year yan. It's not even 1 year yet. Anyway, I'll be right back. Mag-change lang ako. The moon guys, oh. Yeah, later see siya. Ay, nako. Let me go check. You stay there. Okay, i-check ko lang to. Diba? May light kami dito. Hindi siya nag-on. Yung iba. Tignan natin. Ito. Ano ba? Ano na siya? Nasira na talaga siya. Nasira na talaga siya. Ayan ako. Tignan niyo. Konti na lang.